Strong geometric layouts can make your marketing message look modern, organized, and impossible to overlook. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a clean background that complements your brand, then open the Elements panel and search for geometric shapes such as circles, triangles, rectangles, and hexagons. Arrange the larger shapes first to build a structured layout, then add smaller shapes to guide the viewer's attention toward your product. Upload your product image and position it where it naturally becomes the focal point. Add a bold marketing headline, a short promotional message, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern typography.